Good morning, dear students. Before starting our class today, I would like you all to meet your new friend Trishna. She is our new student. Come forward, Trishna, and introduce yourself to your new friends.
Hello friends, my name is Trishna Parmar. I am new in this city and very excited to meet you all. I may not be able to walk and run like everyone, but I am not different from anyone. Hope we become good friends. Thank you.
So, let us continue with our math class.
Hey Aishwarya, did you meet the new girl of our class?
No, yeah. I just saw her in the class. Really not interested to talk to her.
Hi. Can I sit here with you all so we can have a lunch together?
No, Trishna. You go and be with people who are like you.
Yes, people who move around their scooter.
Who will read the next paragraph?
And I want to read
Yes, Arva.
the list substance in whose presence the rate of
अरवा, अगर तुम ऐसे ही रीड करती रही ना तो हमारा लेसन तो कल खत्म होगा।
लो अरवा, सेंटर फ्रूट खाओ, फट फट बोलने लगोगी।
catalyst speeds up a chemical reaction.
Very good, Arva.
Hi Arva, how are you doing?
I am fine. So he how are you?
What is going on?
Oh Arva, she looks very upset.
Sorry, Arva. Do not be upset. I hear what Vasudha and Tazim said. Do not take to your heart.
Are saying this because you don't have disability and you have friends.
Do not feel that it is not your disability. It is not that I never faced teasing. I am studying through a scholarship. I do not deserve this school. Some people says, but rather than focusing on comment, I see the teachers who always support.
Yes, Payal, I agree with you. All the teachers are so supporting. They always see to it that I don't have any problem while I move on my wheelchair. The other day, I wanted to come downstairs and there was no one to help me. अब मैं नीचे कैसे जाऊंगी? कोई भी नहीं है हेल्प करने।
What happens, Trishna? Is there any problem?
Sir, I want to go downstairs, but there is no one to help me.
Don't worry, Trishna. I'll help you. Let me help you.
I was very surprised to see that Sir himself came to help me.
Yes, Trishna and Payal, the teachers always support me and encourage me to read in the class even though it takes long due to my stammering. They don't treat me differently. I feel very lucky to have such teachers.
Good morning, my dear students. I have an important announcement for all of you. On 27th April, we have an inter-school maths competition. It is for primary and high school as well. I want active participation from my students. You have 9 days to prepare yourself. All the details regarding competition will be put up on notice board. All the best, students.
वसुधा, ये कंपटीशन तो हमें ही जीतना है प्राइमरी सेक्शन में।
अरवा, How about giving our names for today's competition? We'll surely win.
Yes, so Rohini, have you seen Trishna and Payal? They said we'll give our names together.
सुन तजीन, तुझे पता है वो लोग भी अपना नाम कंपटीशन में दे रहे हैं.
हाँ क्या? विल दे बी एबल टू डू इट? और वैसे भी आरवा जब तक कंपटीशन बोलेगी तब तक तो कंपटीशन भी खत्म हो जाएगा.
Be seated, students. We have to start the test. Okay, students, time's up. Return your supplements.
Good morning, student. As you all know, today the result of competition is out. I must say all students to give their best. Most of the participants have done well best. Only some can be rank holder. We have 2 of our student in the top 5 position. Now, I will tell this description of the student and you will tell me the name.
Description of a student?
What does that mean?
She can't speak as fluently as we do. She can't read as steadily as we read. But she is always ready to make friends and help others. After, when she tries to participate in reading, people make fun of her. Yes, right guess student. It's Arva. She stood second among 4 of the students. I'm proud to have her here with me. Next we have a girl who moves around with the help of others, but never stop back when helping to others. She needs her so-called scooter to move around, but I have always seen her move enthusiastic when people who are able to walk. We have a Trishna, the 4th rank holder with us. Well done, Trishna. So student, you all must be proud of your friends for their achievement or no. It has come to my notice that some of the students are willing to accept them as equal to you. Why is that so? Because they don't speak like you or walk like you. I know all my students love and respect me. But what is the same day I get into an unfortunate incident and not be able to do normal activities? Will you all not accept me? Yes, students?
No, ma'am. You will still be our
Very
teacher.
happy to hear that. So why can't you will accept your other friends? They also love the subject that you love, sports that you love, activities that you do. They are not different from you all. They are same as you all. I want my student to learn integration and caring before you learn your syllabus. Then only we all will grow as human beings. As guess, I have taken a long class. The choice is yours to accept and grow with or stay back and talk. Thank you.
Trishna, Arva, Payal, I'm really very, very sorry.
We were very mean to you all. We shouldn't have said all that to you. I hope we can still be friends. I'm so sorry.
Vasudha, I am glad you understood our feelings.
I'm happy that you want to be friends with us.
All will be a great friends.